welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on this makeup look that you guys see right here. I really enjoy creating this makeup look for you guys using the new Morphe 39S palette. A lot of you guys asked for more videos using this palette, so here I am delivering for you guys. A lot of you guys wanted also to see swatches, so I'm gonna go ahead and swatch a few because honestly there are too many swatches to swatch, too many eyeshadows to swatch. And Morphe does have and I'll try to post the video right here so you guys can see they do have a bunch of the swatches already. So I'm just gonna go ahead and swatch some of them that catch my eye. I'm gonna be swatching this one right here, and this one is like, I don't even know how to explain it, but it is beautiful. I don't even know how I'm gonna swatch it. Okay, so here is that one. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see it because my camera wants to focus on me. That's that one. And then this one, I recently used it in one of my videos. This one is supposed to be like an eyeshadow topper, and it's beautiful by itself. I used it in my last video. And then let's see, this one I just used it on my video today, so I'm gonna swatch it on top of my tattoo. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see it with the lighting, but gorgeous. Okay, let's see, what other one do I want to swatch for you guys? Maybe you should try swatching some of the non-nudes, non-glitter ones. So I'm gonna swatch the pink one that I used for my last video. That's the pink one right there. And then I'm gonna swatch the purple one that I used in my video. That's the purple one right here. Let's see, what other one can I swatch? There's a lot of shimmery ones, so I'm gonna swatch this burgundy shade right here. That's the burgundy one right there. There's this orangey shimmery one here, like a coppery. And then there's this baby, kind of like a bluish, pretty blue color. I want to see if I can use that one. There's that other one right there. There's so many. Let's try this pink one right here. Actually, this one looks really pretty. These are this one is a topper as well, so you can apply this on top of a shadow. So yeah, I'll just swatch this one as well. It's another topper. That one right there. It's another topper as well. So it does have a variety. This is so pretty, this palette. I am really loving it so far. There's another one here. This is why I want to swatch it, because then I have like a bunch of swatches. Here's another one. This one is like a lighter gray shadow. I don't know how to explain that color, but yeah, so those are it. I will put the video here so you guys can see it, but this is another like a light lavendery color. So yeah, I really like these shadows. I will be using mostly all of them just so you guys can kind of see and create different looks. Yeah, so definitely if you guys want to see how to get this makeup look, then keep on watching. I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Go ahead and do the eyeshadow. I'm using the Morphe 39S palette since it's brand new, and I have so many ideas I want to do, and I really like this one. It's so pretty with that pop of like silverish in the middle. It's just so pretty, you guys, so I wanted to share. Definitely if you guys are interested in purchasing any of Morphe brushes or palettes, use my code prettygrace for some money off. It means so much, and I want to thank you all of you guys who have used it and sent me screenshots. It means a lot. Thank you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off using the burgundy shade right here. This one is going to go right into the inner corner and outer corner of the eye. So I'm doing this type of sandwich makeup look. That's what we call it. So I'm using a Morphe R38 brush. And I'm just going to apply this right here. So I'm bringing it inwards. And then I kind of slightly bring it in here. But I really want to keep like the... I'm gonna have to put this here because my mirror is a little short. Slightly, but I wanted the most of the product to be in the inner corner and outer corner of the eye. I went ahead and applied some setting powder under the eyes just to catch any fallout or anything like that. And if you guys hear the traffic, sorry, I live in a very busy street and there is no way for me to fix the noise, so other than me doing voiceovers. But I know a lot of you guys don't like me doing voiceovers, so I rather kind of just talk through the noise. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and apply this burgundy shade. So I want mostly the pigment, and I want it to be a little darker on the inner corner and outer corner of the eye. So I'm just bringing it inwards. I want to make sure that it is really, I want to make sure that the inner corner and outer corner are really dark. So depending on how you like your preference, whatever it is, you can go really high, you can really go low, it doesn't really matter. I have hooded eyes, so I really like to keep the eyeshadow a little higher so you can see it when I open, close my eyes, or whatever angle. I just want you to be able to see all the work that I put into my makeup look, so you can be able to see it. So that's what I'm doing here, is just bringing it a little bit, but I do want to leave a little bit of brow bone because I'm going to apply color there. Alright, so moving on, I'm going with the Morphe R39 brush, and I'm going with the purple shade. It's the color that I used in my other video, that purple one right there. I'm going to go ahead and apply that one right to the inner corner and outer corner of the eye. So, like I said, I really want the colors to be really dark, inner corner and outer corner. So you want to work it in. I'm not bringing it inwards because I do want to leave it empty. So if you guys can see in this eye, it's a little bit of that burgundy shade, but it's mostly empty. So I kind of want to leave that because I don't want everything to look I don't want all the colors to touch together because it'll look like I got a purple eye, and that's not what we're going for, unless that's what you're going for. But I'm not going for a purple eye. So yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this in the inner corner as well. So as you guys can see, it's right there, but it's not touching. And then I'm gonna go back again with that burgundy shade, and then just gonna kind of blend that out. Just want to make sure that everything's really nice and blended. Then I'm going with my blending brush and just kind of blend the edges out because I don't want anything to be too harsh. So just blending that out, going back with the same blue and kind of just smoke it out. You do want to leave the middle empty so there's no because we're going to go ahead and apply the other eye. How it looks, I'm actually going to apply a little bit more of that purpley blue here. Once you're satisfied with it, you can go ahead and move on. I'm going with the Morphe M166 brush. I'm going to apply a little bit of the Urban Decay All Nighter. Is it the All Nighter? Yeah, All Nighter. And I'm going to use this shade right here, this great, beautiful shade. I'm just going to apply that right in the center of the makeup look. Look how beautiful that is. I prefer to apply shimmer shades with a little bit of a setting spray on my brush. It just helps for it to be more pigmented and it's less fallout, so I like doing that. You can either use a spray bottle with a little bit of water, it'll work. So I'm just going back, making sure that it's really nice in the center. Okay, I'm happy with that. So I'm going to do the same thing on the bottom lash line. I'm going to grab my little Morphe M21 brush, spray a little bit of setting spray, and then applying a little bit of that silver shade, and I'm applying it right in the center. Then I'm gonna go back with another brush. This one is a, I don't know, so old brush that I've had. I'm going with that burgundy shade and applying this right in the outer corner and inner corner. Alright, I'm gonna grab another brush because I did use the same brush, but I felt like it was a little bit too much. I'll use this tiny one. I'm using a Morphe 210 brush. I think I'm already using this one. I'm gonna use that blue, the purplish bluish color, and that one's gonna go right on the lash line, bottom lash line. So just kind of to deepen it up and darken it a little bit more. So I feel like I lost the silver color, and going back again with that same brush, applying a little bit of that silver and then reapplying it. There. Alright, so moving on, for lashes I'm using these ones from the Bold Cosmetics. I have no idea the name of it because I lost the box, but I'll try to look for them and then I'll link them down below, but definitely check them out. So I'm blowing a little bit so it gets tacky. Gonna remove the, well, that's drying. I'm gonna remove my powder from my face. So it just helps to remove it, the fallout doesn't like stain my cheeks or anything. So I'm going with the Morphe M520 brush. I'm going with this lighter shade right here, and that one is gonna go right onto my brow bone. And I really like this brush for that because I just feel like it blends everything out. So, and then I'm just gonna grab a little bit more of that burgundy and kind of bring it up a little bit. Just want to make sure that you can see it. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lash. And grab my mirror. I'm gonna put the lashes as close as you can to your real lashes. Just want to make sure they're really there. Okay, that looks good. I'm gonna blend this out a little bit because I feel like it's not really blended right here. A little bit of that blue. It's missing like a little piece right here. There we go. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my face. I'm actually going to apply a little bit of blush. I'm using the Marc Jacobs blush. I'm just going to apply this a little bit to my cheeks. So for highlighter, I've been using the same one almost. So I'm going to use the Whisper of Guilt from m.a.c. And I'm just going to grab a highlighting brush if I can find it. Right here. I'm going to spray a little bit of All Nighter as well, just because I like my highlighter to pop. And then I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills 823 brush. I think I bought this at Macy's, I'm not sure. So just gonna go ahead and apply some of that highlighter. Holy moly. And then do the other side. Cupid's bow, chin, and then my nose I will do with my ring finger because sometimes I go overboard, so. So if it's too much, you can go back with a brush and just kind of remove it. And then just going to apply a little bit on my top of my brows. Alright. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply my mascara as well. I'm using the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara, the waterproof one. I really like this one. You guys now, if you guys follow me for a while, seen me use the original one, but I just felt like it would flake on me a lot. So having the waterproof one helps a lot. So once I'm doing this part, I wonder, why didn't I do the top first, my first top lashes, and then I would do this? But I don't know. I'm just going to apply a little bit just to bond mine with the falsies. I'm just going to go ahead and use the Bare Minerals in Major. And this is just a gloss. The final look. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. What other combinations would you like me to try with using this palette? Don't forget to use my code PrettyGrace for some money off. And yeah, so thank you guys again for watching, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.